welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna cook chicken guts. Come on, let's follow me. Chicken gut, hot pepper, onion, white onion, red onion, garlic, red onion, and ginger. Let's go cook this food, guys. I'm so hungry. Alright, take a look. Good look. This is how I cook. Okay, follow me. Okay, to cook, I'm gonna use this oil. That's it. Okay, this is garlic. Put the garlic down here first. Okay, the garlic. Put the garlic in there. Smells so good. Okay, this is chicken gut right here. Put all of this in there. Sorry guys, accident happened. Okay, sugar, chicken broth powder, 1 spoon, sauce, fish sauce, cover for 10 minutes. Ginger, ginger chicken gut, guys. Try it, it's very good. A lot of herb. Cover up. Look at it. Yum. Let me taste. Little more sugar. A little bit sugar. That's it. Very easy. Try it, guys. Ginger chicken gut. Cover up another 5 minutes. Okay. Ready. It's always good. 5 more minutes, guys. Okay, now ready. This is white onion, and red onion. Everything all in here. Looking good. Okay guys, ready to eat now. Look at it, how good looking and yum. Okay, if you like to try this one, go ahead, try it. Okay, very easy, simple. It's done. Okay, let's go eat. Okay, that's it. Time to pick it up. Very easy, try it, it's very good. Chicken gut with ginger, onion, big onion. Simple, easy, and healthy. You have it. Easy. There you have it, guys. Done. Look, yum, right? Okay, dinner tonight. Okay, guys, this is dinner for tonight. Come on, let's have some with me. And I got wine. Cheers. Happy Sunday, guys. Yep, happy Sunday. Cheers. Back home from vacation. Look at how dark. ค่อยดำขนาดใดกับไปเบเคชั่นเฮาก็มา Good, can go no wrong. You can eat with steamed rice. Steamed rice topping with cucumber, guys. It's very healthy. Go ahead, have some. It's so good. Try it. Very good, okay? Try it, guys. Very good. Alright guys, see you later. If you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe. I can do more, okay? มาเด้อมากินข้าวน้ำกันพี่น้องมาเด้อแป้งสดหัวไตไก่ใส่เครื่องหอมโอเคเจอกันใหม่โอเค bye bye see you later guys bye
Later.
later yep